What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can edit your Facebook avatar. So let's start this video by launching the Facebook app. When the app is launched, tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down and tap on See More and then tap on Avatar. Now to edit your avatar, tap on the pencil icon on top right corner. And then you can fine tune your avatar. I'll start with changing the skin tone. Then I'll change my body shape. And then the outfit. When you are done, tap Done on top right corner. Now tap Next. Tap Next again. And your avatar is now changed. You can share it to your newsfeed if you want to. And that is how you can edit your Facebook avatar. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.